Welcome to the show how to change icon shape into ALCATEL 3T10. First of all, open your Play Store and find here X icon changer application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. Now tap open. Now from the list of our application, choose something for what you wanna change. For example, maybe settings will be nice. And now from the icon library, choose something new, maybe this one. And now for save this icon, need to tap OK button in the top right corner and wait a second for generating your icon. Sorry for that, need close ads, maybe a few times, so because it's free application. And now we add to home screen message, so tap here add automatically. And here we got success message, so go to our home screen and here we got settings icon. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.